All right, so I didn't talk this time, but this is the Daytona Regency Hotel, and that may be wrong, but I did want to show you exactly how the place looks. We absolutely loved it. Of course, time at Universal, time at Disney, and a couple days at my parents'. So we pretty much feel that we can actually get all that we can get out of the beach within 2 days. And once again, my name is Alton, coming to you this time from Daytona Beach here in Florida. And we are at the Daytona Regency Hotel and Resort. Going to make sure there again if I have that name right. Came through the front door, showed you the kitchen area, right out to the left. Of course, this is the bathroom area. We're going to move into the bedroom area. Large area, king size bed. This is one king, but we actually had more or less 3 people. So you have here, nice size closet. Got the safe on the bottom. Kind of zoom back around. Of course, if you love looking at yourself, you can check your full view. Not exactly dressed appropriately. Wearing black on a beach, not the thing to do, not the thing you'd want to do. Now, this door actually leads you outside to the balcony. This was our view. So we can see the other hotel next door. You got your pool area. And this is Spring Break 2018. There is a cheerleader convention going on, or competition going on. So we're going to walk down. We're going to show you a little bit of that as well. We're going to leave the bedroom. You can see the bath. You can see the kitchen area. And of course, you can see the living room / pull-out sofa. So we're just going to walk to the balcony area here. Show you a little bit about what to expect. Even though you're not on the ocean, very nice ocean view. And we are going to depart. This is our last day here once again. So we're going to go ahead and make our way on down. And we were on the 8th floor. Actually do have a wash and dryer on the very end. So if you need to take care of your laundry whatsoever, you could definitely do so. You can smell the cleanliness as soon as you get off the elevator. Very nice. You can tell where it was retouched. Older hotel that came in, did a great job refurbishing, getting it ready for the next set of visitors. A couple current events going on in the Daytona area. They have that posted everywhere. Dual elevators to get you up and down. Elevators are very nice. You have cameras everywhere, by the way. So it's safe. Cameras are basically everywhere, except in your room. I don't want to get too personal, but you will see those everywhere, which is very good. Even in the pool area, you have indoor, outdoor, the whole 9 yards. There he is.
Hi.
Thanks, man.
All right, and I hope everything turned out okay?
Yes, it did.
All right, you guys, have a great day.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Did you get the day passes?
No.
That was the kid room. Women's men's bathroom. And if you go in the bathroom, this is very nice as well. great, no one's in here. So once you come through, with it being a D beach, you can actually do a day pass, and the day pass actually gets you here. So they have a personal shower. If you want to come in and shower whatsoever after spending a day at the beach, you could do so. And it's not going to let me in. That actually takes you to the outside pool. So if we come back out, you have a vending machine for everything. ATM. Anything you may need. Reasonably priced. Of course, snacks, ice cream, and sodas. Camera. Security. Game room. Pool's absolutely free. You got a big screen TV. You can actually take in your favorite game. Gym area. Indoor pool and jacuzzi right behind it. Hey, I don't have my day pass. Will I be able to get back in?
Sorry, what?
I don't have my day pass yet. Will I be able to get back in?
Yes.
I will?
Back here, yes.
This will automatically open?
Yes.
Okay,
and
good.
the gate to the
I will need the day
is-
pass on that.
Well, not right now, but you probably will, but it should be fine right now.
Okay, but I'll be able to get back in here. Okay, good.
And that gate, I just unlocked it, so you can go to the beach and come back through the gate.
Okay.
And if anybody kind of mentions it, because the way that we
I still have my room key
Oh,
Yeah.
that's fine.
right
yeah.
now.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay,
All right, perfect.
thank you. They call that the Tiki Bar, late night drinks whatsoever.